There are many remote jobs available for people with little to no experience, and some of these are well paying and offer a high level of flexibility. It's essential to research these jobs thoroughly to ensure that they're a good fit for you. No experience jobs are much easier to find than entry-level jobs, but you should consider a few things before applying for one. Here are some tips to get you started. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. He will discuss the best remote jobs with no experience needed from Indeed.com. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training.
Okay guys, we want to start this video off again really kind of emphasizing on remote jobs. So you will probably see a series of remote jobs come here kind of on and on within these with these next several videos that are coming out. But I want to show you how to be able to research these remote jobs yourself, and because they change all the time. So I want to show you how to research it, and then you want to look at the ones that don't have to have a lot of degrees or a lot of experience, and I want to show you how to be able to do that, So, but let me make sure we're clear. One thing when it comes to working online, working for a remote site, I'm just telling you, because there's still people that's out there are trying to get these jobs as well as you are. You have to have some type of skills. Don't ever forget that. You'll see me say that pretty much in every last one of my videos. And if you don't have no skills, don't just give up. Go out there and get it. It's plenty of channels like myself that provide you with Microsoft Office training. That's the one thing that everybody, I think, that's applying for these online jobs need to have: at least Microsoft, at least Excel, and at least Word. Get kind of familiar with that, and you can go online and look at videos. So, but that's what I'm trying to tell you. You can have no experience, but at least have those kind of qualifications. And then another thing, kind of have the ability to be able to type. Those are two things you kind of really have to have. But we're going to go ahead and go into the video training and show you some jobs that you may or may not like. And then I'm going to tell you how to research it. So the first thing you want to do, I always just type in remote. You've seen my videos before. I just do remote. I don't do specifics. If you would like to do specifics, that's on you. All I know is it's going to pull the nearest one to your city. So you could be in Alabama, but the next remote job could be located in Georgia or North Carolina or whatever. It's going to pull the nearest to whatever you put in. Okay, so what we're going to do is just go ahead and hit find. Okay, and some of these jobs are changed or some of them may not. That's why I tell you have to come in and search every day. Because when you come to Indeed, I can come here and click and say, okay, this is this job. You need to jump on it. By the time you do get to the videos or whatever, somebody may have hired that person. So we're going to start this first one out right here. We'll look at this first one. And it's United Health Group. And we'll look at it and we'll just take a look at it to see if it's one of those jobs that require a lot of experience. We're trying to look for jobs that don't have a lot of experience so you can get on your feet. One thing you want to look, if you're a person that don't have any kind of benefits, look for these jobs that do have benefits. Look at healthcare. You got 401k. Then they match you. So you want to look for stuff that has benefits. So we're going to scroll down here and take a look at the qualifications. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the qualification. And right now, I do not see any salary here, but we'll go through some that do have salaries. Let's just talk about that. This one's talking about a high school diploma, GED or higher, or equivalent of work experience. Minimum of 4 years combined education, work, and or volunteer experience. So the requirement is not that bad. I'm gonna tell you this, if your person is looking for an online job, guarantee you've had some kind of work experience, because the people who have never had a job before ever, they're probably not really looking for the online jobs right now. So you got to have some kind of work ethics. That's what I say. They say they prefer qualification of health care, insurance environment, are familiar with the medical terminology of health plans, document, and benefits. So the reason why I went ahead and did it, to not just say, okay, this specific job, I'm showing you how to browse for these jobs here on Indeed. And I'll be doing this periodically as I continue to build the channel. And I'm trying to be an influencer of people who would like to work. With this pandemic going everywhere, you may not want to go in the office. So it didn't say what amount of work, how many, what's the money that they pay per month, what they pay per hour or whatever. I know it had 17,000 reviews, guys. Look here, 17,738. Okay, let's go over to the next one and let's just see what it says. My bad. That's on all of these jobs. Look like it's on all these jobs. Now, this is administrative assistance with the same company, and it does not say what it pays per hour or whatever. There's just another job available, and we'll look at what it entails, and it pretty much says the same thing. You want to try to take a look at these jobs: high school diploma, GED or higher, and basic computer skills. You see, it's always said basic computer skills, and I didn't notice the hourly time that you work: 8-hour shifts, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time or Eastern Standard Time. So we're trying to help you be able to navigate for job opportunities on Indeed. So that's basically kind of what we're working with. It says soft skill, work with others as a part-time team, moderate work experience with own function. Some work is complete without established procedures. Basic tasks are complete without review by others. So yeah, this is just showing you how to navigate on trying to find you a job. Okay, now let's go over to the next one. Now we're going to hit this one here, and I'm going to tell you before you go into the description to let you know what it is. Okay, now that was recently by the same company, now with a different company, with Mass Mutual, and it's like 1319 has looked at these jobs. Okay, this one here, and maybe I've talked about it before in prior videos. This is a full-time job, and this probably going to be you're going to have some kind of experience. So, but we'll go down here and see. We'll go out and see. You may have those type of experience to do that. It says I wanted to say that's a pretty good amount of money. It's $56,000, $46,000 to $56,000, and I was trying to find out what are they asking for. Could be the skills that you may make a great fit is strong customer focus, the ability to de-escalate a situation, acquire business knowledge, process, product, systems, and key contacts, the ability to research, analyze, and solve problems, demonstrate effective data-driven decision making, salary range from $46,000 to $56,000 with bonus opportunity. So, I want to say this one is you have to be experienced, but if you look at the description, it really don't say. So if you think it's something that you may be interested in, hey, take a chance. And like I said, and if you want to type these numbers, these descriptions down, you can just type them down and then come back and look later. Now let's go back over here to this next one. Credentially specialist. Now remember I told y'all earlier when we started out the training, Microsoft Office, 1 year preferred. Microsoft Word, 1 year preferred. U.S. work authorization. That's why I say, when you start looking for these jobs, they got benefits. And I didn't state about the other one. I didn't look. It probably do have benefits as well. But what I'm trying to tell you is, all of these companies, from what I'm researching, they're wanting Microsoft Office. They really want Microsoft Office. And you can, what I would do, just to help you out along, if that's not familiar territory to, I will go to YouTube and get Microsoft Office, and each of the little stuff they try to get you familiar with, get familiar with. That's all it is. Basically, when you got a software like Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, you have to know where everything's at. Once you learn to navigate where everything's at, your workflow is no problem. It is really no problem. And they got tons of excellent tutorials on that. And if the tutorials are not correct for you guys, you could go to a site. I've said it on my channel before. Udemy, U-D-E-M-Y. Udemy, they have courses. Some of them are free, but some of them are very inexpensive. I'm talking about $10. A complete training of Microsoft Office can teach you everything. Matter of fact, they even have some that can certify you. So this is a nice job to look at. $18 to $20 an hour. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and you can look at that medical document process, but we're going to look at this collection specialist. Let's take a look at this one, and we're going to call it quits, guys. We're going to let you go. So I just want to walk you through and thoroughly how to thumb you through jobs. And guys, I got a lot of more places to go to help you find jobs. I've been on this tip because I've been impressed with Indeed. They have some really good jobs. Because in the future, I'm going to look for one of these jobs. That's the reason why I really started this channel. Okay, this job here pays, this is Extract Bill Solution Collection Specialist. So another thing, I didn't say this, I'm going to reiterate this on every last one of them. Make sure you have a resume put together. And that's the next thing, probably going into February. I got to start studying. So I need to help people along with who don't know how to do resumes and stuff like that. So that's another thing that's going to be applied to this channel later on. Okay, this one here is paying $20 to $26 an hour, high school equivalent. Microsoft Excel, customer service, U.S. worker. That's why I told you about Excel. Disabled insurance, health insurance, dental, 401k, paid time off, vision, life insurance. So it's a pretty good job. Medical billing collecting specialist. Are you a medical billing and collecting specialist with experience in billing and collecting? So that's what type of job that is. So if you've done that kind of administrative work, this one might be for you. So, but like I said, I just want to kind of get you started in Indeed to help you be able to navigate and help you be able to find jobs. It's more jobs I could have typed in description-wise at the top of the browser that you could have went into. But I just wanted to kind of keep it generic so we can actually teach you how to research your own work for yourself. So I just want to just let you know this was available. And before we go, y'all know my saying, let me get a like and let me get a subscription to this channel so I can keep on providing you more. And if it's any type of job in a specific area that I need to look at, I need to research for you guys, just put a comment below and I'll be right on top of it. Guys, take care and I'll see you the next time.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care and I'll see you on the next training.